Guys, hello, good morning, YouTube channel.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
What is going on? That is so. We're in a taxi. What am I witnessing? Like, how is this even... My dog, stop it. I'm not gonna lie, guys. News break. I have a real doge in real life. What the flip is going on? Yeah, I know. Shut up. I've never watched BFDI, but I can just assume that 3-year-olds watch it. So. Holy cakes! I'm Carl the NPC. No, you aren't. No, you aren't. Nuh-uh. No. Ah. Nuh-uh. Oh, get you shelter before it erupts. That is so sentenced. Like, whoever decided to make this. Yeah, I'm sentenced. I just can't fathom that I'm so rich in Roblox that I bought this and it's again. Next spot. Oh my god! Why is there a person with a gun? There's 40 people with a gun. Where did you get the gun from? I pressed the button. I shouldn't have pressed the button! I'm cooked. I'm absolutely scrambled. Why did I do that? I don't know. Legit. Rain! I want to go to Cloud World. That's like fun. Yeah, I survived. Are we surviving? Like Ivan? It's a test. No, you aren't. You're fake. You're fake. You're not test 1, 2 something. And guess can't wear it out. What's a word that describes someone that I could say and start to explain? Nice. I'm a nice person. Oh, excuse me. How'd you get that? That's not possible. I watched a video about it on YouTube. You are not possible. Yo, wait, is that a hot dog guy? Where's hot dog guy? I just saw him. No, I'm gonna press it this time. Little bro, press it. Little bro, it's not that. I'm doing it. Leave me alone. Yeah, I'm pressing it. That's right. Scoop that whoop. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Get noob.
Is that flamingo? He's what?
I have the power of God and anime on my side! Wait,
Did someone just explode? Yeah, I pressed the button. Click the burger! Burger! I'm in burger. I am in the burger machine. The burger machine. Stop it! I want to be in burger.
It's raining tacos. Right out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Tacos.
Where's it going? Let me press it! I think I did. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Alright.